video, I'm going to show you how to split your phone screen into two, like you've seen on my screen right now. So currently now my phone screen is being split into two. At the top, I have the Google Chrome browser application, and at the bottom, I have the Gmail application. So I can work on both screens at the same time. So this is my Google Chrome application, and this is my Gmail browser here at the bottom. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Before I start, kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel so you get notified whenever I drop a video like this. So let me go ahead to remove this split screen and tell you how to do it afresh. So let me go ahead and remove it. So here now, this particular feature works in so many Android phones. It's an inbuilt feature in so many Android phones. So I'm just going to go ahead to show you how to do it. Open a particular application that you want to use to split the screen. So when you do that, you go to your open app list. Mostly in most Android phone, it's usually on the left. So you just drag and hold. You can see here, you see the list of your apps that you've opened. So I'm currently opening only Chrome. I'll just cleared my open app list. So tap on the three dots at the top right here of any particular app. Okay, for clarity's sake, let me open another app. I can open WhatsApp and I can open X. So if I open my recently used application, so you can see Chrome, WhatsApp and X. So let's say I want to split screen for Chrome and another application. So I'm just going to go ahead to tap on the three dots at the top right of the Chrome and select split screen. So here you're going to get a notification that you should open another app to split the screen. So I can go ahead and look for another app. So I can just say I want to open my Gmail. Let me still maintain the way it was in the video intro. So you can see Gmail is below or down while Chrome browser is up. So guys, that's how to split screen on your Android phone. Like the video and also subscribe to the channel. So I'll see you in the next video.